Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, top of the morning to you, eh? Crowley?
Crowley.
Really?
Crowley.
Honey, I'm home.
Yes, you are. Come here, you sexy thing.
I can lift you up. I can show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. We're safe and sound.
I don't ever want to let this go. I need you, Cass. Everyone's gonna be daddy. Why are you laughing?
No, I know. I love you too.
I didn't say I love you.
I know you wanted to say it.
I've missed your musk.
Is this okay that I'm in your shop? No, you can do it. Say it. No, you love me.
In a tidal wave of mystery, you'll still be standing next to me. You could be my luck. Even if we're 6 feet underground, I know that we'll be safe and sound.
Yeah. You know what? Don't worry about it. I know what you're doing. I'm gonna put this down. No, I'm gonna hit you again.
Okay.
You hit like a girl.
Damn it!
Does that still hurt?
It hurts!
Okay.
It doesn't hurt here.
Okay, does it hurt if I hit you here?
Here. What the hell was that?
I'll tell you later. Let's get on with the trial.
I could lift you up. I could show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. I can lift you up. I can show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. We're safe and sound. We're safe and sound. We're safe and sound.
Oscar's laughing though.
Give me a minute.
It's our name for the burglar that's been running us.
Release her. Kevin, 心痛爆發想見到 Clary， 唔使講吧咋 Kevin。
It remembers me.
One day, you will owe me a favor.
This isn't like you know us.
Of course, you're the Winchesters.
Do you watch the show?
Yes, regularly. I TiVo it.
Should we get?
Of course, you're the Winchesters.
Sorry, we met?
He probably watches the show, Dean.
What do you think about our move to Wednesdays?
We're not gonna be able to use any of that.